The tribes of Balliguda Forest Division depends on Podu cultivation for their livelihood. They use slash and burn method on the hill slopes and other different areas of jungle forest to provide land for crops. After cultivating the area continuously for 3 consecutive years, they shift to another location. For this, lots of forest areas degrade by allowing invasive alien species of weeds, which in later stage spread vigorously to many areas. This practice of cultivation also induced by soil erosion and biodiversity loss. In order to check shifting cultivation, the forest staffs of Balliguda Forest Division have started campaigning across the tribal villages for making the people learn about the ill effects of Podu cultivation. Field staffs also made people aware about the available settled method of cultivation by which they can gain more benefits and earn sustainable livelihood.
To address this Podu cultivation, we have taken some initiatives and we have identified some areas wherein old Podu was practiced, and with the help of villagers and regular meeting by the frontline staff, we could raise a beautiful bald hill plantation wherein we have raised the Podu species that we have identified, like wild mango, cashew, panasa, kendu, mahua, au, chara, and these are the species which people do not cut, and they are dependent on these tree species, and these tree species are only used for this plantation purpose, and people are very happy, and they are also understanding the benefit cost analysis, wherein if you go for Podu cultivation in 1 acre, that family will get 10,000 to 20,000 rupees for that Podu season. But if you cultivate these trees, if you protect these trees over a period of 6 to 8 years, they will get 1,20,000 to 1,50,000 rupees.
After being motivated by the brainstorming sessions, people supported the idea and agreed to carry out plantation program aimed to provide sustainable livelihood, by which the department planted fruit-bearing, NTFP and fodder plants on the shifting cultivated areas under MGNREG scheme from the financial year 2019-20 and onwards.
After this successful experimentation, we have prepared Podu action plan. So we have identified more than 7,000 hectares using GIS technology in the control room of Balliguda, and we have divided this in 10 years, and the efforts are on for slowly we have identified, and efforts are on to convert these Podu areas into greenery using these Podu species, wherein people will get benefit and we will green the area.
This successful project of department across the villages helped in controlling forest fire and shifting cultivation in the vicinity areas. This also helped people earning their livelihood by participation of local people in the implementation of departmental activities.